Do you know how to make bouncing bubbles? Hey, future scientists and super explorers! Welcome back to Kidio'sclub, where every day is an adventure in learning. I'm Professor Bubble Pop, and today we're going to make some seriously amazing, bouncy, boing bubbles. Get ready to be amazed. Now, we all love bubbles, right? But sometimes they're a bit shy. They pop too quickly. We want bubbles that can bounce, juggle, and maybe even dance. So, how do we make them super strong? It's all about a secret ingredient. The secret is to make our bubble walls extra tough and elastic. Think of a normal bubble like a flimsy party balloon. But our bouncing bubbles? They're like super bouncy balls. We do this by adding special ingredients like sugar, glycerin, or corn syrup to our regular bubble mix. These make the bubble film thicker and stronger, like a tiny invisible shield. Ready to mix our magic potion? You'll need an adult to help you, especially with warm water. First, let's grab 4 tablespoons of warm water. Next, 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is our bubble strengthening champion. And finally, for super sudsy power, 1 tablespoon of dish soap. We want to be gentle, so we don't make too many foamy bubbles just yet. Stir it all up nice and slow, and then let it sit for a little while. Patience makes the best bubbles. Now, for another super duper important trick. Our hands have natural oils, and those oils are bubble-popping villains. Boo! So, to make our bubbles bounce, we need to wear a glove or even a clean sock on our hand. This keeps those oily villains away. Okay, my amazing Kidio'sclub crew, solution ready? Glove on? Let's make some magic! Look at it go! Boing. It's a bouncing bubble dance party. You can try gently tossing it to a friend if they also have a glove, or just see how many times you can bounce it on your own hand. How cool is that? You just made science fun and bouncy. Remember to always experiment safely and have an adult help you. Keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you next time for more amazing adventures at Kidio'sclub. Bye-bye, bouncing bubbles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Remember to stay awesome.